What's up, guys? We're gonna go on a little walk, just a short little walk right around the corner from where we live. There's this alley. Last night, Jeremy and Claire from the channel For Real came over, and while we were standing out front waiting, I was expecting them to come from that main road, one way or the other, and they emerged from this alley. I assumed it was a dead end because when you look down the alleyway, all you see is a house at the end. But I was wrong. They do have all kinds of houses and things down here, but it is not a dead end. As a matter of fact, they only live about 2 minutes away from us right now, so it's a short little walk. So I figured I'd go down the alley and see what I can see. I have a big empty lot here. I'm assuming they use it for... Oh, you can go this way. I believe that's the way you go to get to their apartment. And they'll let me know if I'm wrong. But I believe they probably use that for animals. Or maybe playing soccer. Because I don't see any animals. But it does have barbed wire and fencing all the way around, so I don't know. They have another little alley this way. So which way to go? Well, we'll start out over here. At least it provides some shade. Not a lot, of course, but every little bit helps. And I know Sangalai does not like the heat. Right? No sun. Don't like the heat. So whenever we find shade, she's happy. More apartments back there. See, as I said before, you can go anywhere and find apartments here. All kinds of price ranges. Hello. More back there. And over there. All kinds of little alleys back this way. Nothing on the agenda for today. Tomorrow we'll be doing another food outing. Still getting together the video from the last time to send out to my supporters. Oh, another alley. Well, You know that poem about taking the road less traveled? But when you come to situations like this, you're not really sure which ones are less traveled. They all kind of look the same. This way? Okay. I'll let her pick. I didn't bring my gimbal because we weren't planning on doing this right now, but while we were out getting her a Red Bull, Figured why not? Just do it right now. Looks like that's a shadow puppet place up there. Traditional shadow theater. Nice big yard here. Sounds like there's some practicing going on for the performances. And of course, a barking dog. There we go. Always throw away your trash, very important. Oh yeah, looks like I found Dog Alley. Oh, looks like down here there's nothing. Nothing? I don't think so. I don't see anything else down there. No, I don't think so. I think it dead ends. I think one of those other ways we had to go. Because I know down there you can get to Highway 6. Oh, you want to go? You want to try? You want to go down here? Okay, we get new buddies over here. It's okay. It's okay. All it takes is one to get the whole neighborhood riled up. Alright, I know if you go, if you turn down one of these intersecting alleys, you will get out to the highway, Highway 6. And even though they explained to me last night how to get to a really nice, scenic area, I forget which way they told me to turn. See anything down there? But I like how even in a path like this, they have these little stores all over. Just set up and make what money they can. Alright. We'll get somewhere else. I'll let you know what the plan is. That was just a little walk down an alley. You never know what you're going to find. Like that puppet theater place. I might want to go check that out. Talk to you guys later. Alright guys, since the alley seemed to be a bust, we decided to come down here. Somebody wanted to see the Muslim sort of area of town, I guess you could say. Some of the restaurants here. So you have the Muslim family restaurant down this little street. It's on the corner of Sucksand Road, it runs right next to the Temple convenience store, where you'll find a lot of halal food. There's some kebabs and falafels. Another one here. Yeah, this is mainly a Muslim area of Siem Reap. Halal food over there. And up ahead, I'm going. There's another one. And Muslim family kitchen. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Right there. I'm using my offhand. I'm using my left hand for that, so it's backwards. so it's a little strange for me. But as I'm going to show you up here, they do have a their own mosque. For all their worshiping needs. And like I said, all kinds of stores and restaurants, the majority of which are Muslim owned. Hello! So if you're ever in town and you're looking for some good, affordable, halal food, or if you happen to be of the Islamic religion, here you go. There's the mosque. Hello. There's the mosque right here. A nice looking building. Very nice looking, very well kept. And somebody said they had wanted to see this, so that was it. It's not a huge area, but it does provide a need for people of that specific religion. And there's the inside. Alright. And that's really it. Everything down there is more traditional Khmer stuff. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Alright guys, we're just passing by this little restaurant called Olivio. Wanted to show you some of the specials they have. Red wine, $1.50. White wine, $1. Chicken soup, $1. Cheese omelet, $1. Get a little closer. Olive and bread, feta and bread, pasta, spaghetti, even a chicken burger and a hamburger for $3.50 and $2.50 and 50 cents respectively. Nice little restaurant on Suxan Road. It would be easy to miss. There is construction going on next door, but it is right across the street from McCool's Bar and Grill. Also, if you do smoke, carton of Marlboros for $7. Normally at the stores they're $1.50 a pack, so that is a very, very good deal. So if you get a chance, come on down here, grab yourself some pasta or maybe a hamburger. That chicken soup does look really good. That looks great. And I just want to give a shout out and a thank you to all my supporters. As you know, I always say it's because of you we can go out and make these videos and teach and feed people for free. And each and every one is appreciated. And if I could, I would say thank you individually to each and every one. If you want to receive exclusive videos, content, books, and more, go to any of the links you see on your screen. There are clickable links down below and you will be added to the list. And I'll send you some goodies through your email just as a way of saying thank you when you first donate. Thank you. and I will talk to you guys in the next one.